Hello, today I will show you NWTC's Ask a Librarian FAQ site. There are many ways to access the Ask a Librarian FAQs. From the NWTC Library website, click Ask a Librarian/search FAQs, or scroll down and click Get Help and Contact Us. In any Canvas course, click on the Library Resources link to visit your program's library guide. To search the FAQs from any library guide, look for the Got Questions box, and click the Ask a Librarian link. To connect from the Help and Support section of the student portal, click the box titled Got Questions? We've got answers, or access the FAQ site directly at nwtc.libanswers.com. Type in your question in the search box, or browse the featured answers or topics. Don't see an answer to your question? Contact the library by call, email, or text. Submit a question using our form. You can also sign up for library training or events. To chat directly with an NWTC librarian, look for the chat box. For more help, contact the NWTC library at 920-498-5493.